Want it to sit right there, because I'm going to put a piece of wood across from there into the rim, so it's got to be level or slightly above there. And these I got out of a cable roll, so they've already got a bit of a bow in them, a curve. Lucky for me. Pre-drilled, and I'm gonna just tap in a nail just to make it a bit stronger for the shelves. I usually keep this old paint from the house that we don't use anymore, just purely for undercoating stuff, especially when it's MDF like this. It just soaks up, so it's like a good primer.